Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Wordle Ultra Hard Mode. Today, we're going to be doing the Wordle for the 30th of October, 2023. We are going to be doing... Hello? Refresh the page. We're going to be doing Wordle 863 today, and as always, we're going to be starting with the solution word, which was the word phony. Ah, what a great solve. Jumped out of me. I'm very happy with it. I'm going to do the word slime, because it jumped out at me as well. With IL. Could be something IL instead of LI. So, like... Illa. Well, then let me put it in there. Nilla. Like Nilla wafer. I want to do the word filth, because I saw the FIL. What else could I put in here? Can you do the word girly? Can you do the word girth? Ooh, I see the word viral. That's interesting to me. I've been doing a lot of V's recently, but whatever. Let's keep doing it. Huh. Could be something like this. Braille? That's not how you spell Braille. But that is how you spell Grail. And that's the correct solution. The V's have been coming in clutch for me as of late. Thank you all for watching. Hope you guys have enjoyed, and I will see you all next time. Cheers!